Morning students, how are you? Today we are going to revise computer class 6 and chapter 1. Okay, so we are going to start the revision. In this we have to study about chapter 1. You have got a mail. Okay, so in this chapter how we can able to create and send mails to other persons, what are their key features of mail and like that. Here given you just see that in this chapter heading, you have got a mail. Okay, what is mail? So first thing comes in our mind, what is mail? So we can say that mail we can simply send letters in ancient times by using paper, but nowadays we are just sending this by mails. Same things going on, but in different method being used. Okay, so we can say that like that. Here definition is given. So in here for email we are using Gmail. Gmail is a company which is operated by Google. Okay, there are various kinds of mail like Gmail, Yahoo Mail, okay, Rediff Mail, like that. That all are companies of different IT companies. Okay, so particular one thing we have to discuss here. What is mail? Mail is Gmail. Here given, Gmail is free service provided by Google that enables to send receive email over the internet. It is accessible from any web browser, and free storage given is 15 GB. You can access from desktop, mobile and tablets. Okay, like that we can discuss. Next thing comes in this chapter. It let you apply various themes to your account. You can start video, chat from inbox. The three tabs, important three tabs, that is primary, social and promotion. Okay, you can organize email by three tabs: primary, social and promotion. That is the key feature. Larger file also can be shared by Google Drive. Okay, like files in GBs, like that, 1 or 2 GB, then you can share via Google Drive. Okay, its storage capacity is free storage capacity of 15 GB per account. Okay, 15 GB per account. Okay, okay, like these three features you have to study very well. Okay, you can also view the attachment instantly, like that. You have the features. Next we are going in next page. How can we create Gmail? So first thing, we have to create the Gmail. We have to follow following steps here given. Okay, open an web browser. In address book, type accounts Google. Okay, we are using Gmail here, so we have to type accounts Google and press the enter key. Then after, sign the Google accounts page which is appeared. Okay, click to create link and fill the required details, like that. Okay, one account Google, like that. In this diagram has shown that. Okay, then after we can create the account, then after continue with Google, continue with Gmail. Okay, the following process has gone by, like that. This one account, this dialog box or this window screen has appeared when you create an email. Okay, then after, if you already have Google Mail account, we can see that in Gmail, open a web browser. In a web address we can type the Gmail, enter key and then press account. Okay, like that we are doing. Then after enter your username, like that. Enter your username, email box, like that, Gmail box. Okay, then enter the password. Password is going to be strong. Do not take very easy password. It can be detected by others. Okay, it can be hacked. Okay, so prefer very strong passwords. Okay, then after here the email receipt you can appear in the inbox. Okay, now the three tabs inbox, three tabs are given: primary, social and promotion. The primary tab contains email from your friends. Primary means that is very basic email which comes from your friends and family and colleagues, which you know very well. Then after social tab enters emails from social networks like the Facebook and Twitter. Okay, promotion contains marketing such as email. You want some marketing emails like you got any product like that, discount deals, offers like that. Okay, then after sending an email, how can we able to send an email? Okay, send an email. You can reply an email and forward an existing. You can also send a new mail from your Google account. Okay, first thing is click to compose button, new message. We have to like that. These pages comes when you click to compose. Okay, this kind of page comes to your computer screen. Then after, next thing is in two box enter the mail address, person's name. If you want to send mail to a person, then you have to enter that person's mail address. Then subject, you have to enter what kind of subject, like that you are just sending an email, a letter type email, then you have to put it offer letters or any other letters you want to send. Then after click to send when you completed the writing of a mail. Then after CC&BC, that is blank carbon copy and carbon copy. If you want a single person send to a single person, then you can select the BCC, and you want to send many person, then you can select the CC. To inbox to carbon copy and blank carbon copy. Okay, that is the basic difference between carbon copy and blank carbon copy. After that, the emails of recipient in CC field visible to each other. These are people whom sender want to inform about the message from example and calling manager. The email recipient and BCC file not visible to each other. BCC is used when email is sent to a long list. As we earlier discussed about, CCC is visible to each other. These are people whom the sender wants to inform about the message. Okay, that is called CC. And you want to send a bigger long list recipient, then you have to select the BCC. Okay, then after attaching a file to an email, how can we attach the file? Okay, if you want to attach a file to an email, then you have to follow the following steps. Gmail allows attachment of 25 in an email. Okay, 25 MB in an email. Nowadays it is more than 25 MB. So you can see like that. These steps you have to follow. These kind of windows appear when you attaching any file to email. Like that, open dialog box has opened on your computer screen. You have to select it, which file you want to attach. Okay, then after replying replying and forwarding an email. Okay, how can we able to reply or forward an email? To reply, we have to follow these following steps. Open an email, you want to send a reply, click to reply icon, type your message, click to on send. Okay, you can able to send to inbox. Okay, to forward an email, first step is open the email you want to forward. Second step is click to more icon and click forward. Third is in the to box enter the required email address, and fourth is type to required message, click on send. These steps you have to follow. Then after adding a signature to email. Okay, how can we add to an signature to how can we add a signature to an email? Okay, what is signature? Means in general sense, if you just type or write a letter, then you have to sign that. After that letter you have to sign it, because anybody knows you have just write that letter. Suppose you can just writing an application to principal, okay, then after that application you have to sign here, because he has to know you have written that letter, okay. Like that only, while writing letters you have to write at the end. Similarly, you can add an email signature at the end of an email. An email signature is a block of text, shows the name, contact information. That is the main thing in this. An email signature is a block of text, shows your name and contact information. Like that you have to a signature also contain hyperlink and image. When you state a signature, it is automatically append and end of the message, like that, okay. Next thing is add and signature. We have to follow following steps, okay. You have to follow all this. If you want to add add a signature to an email, first thing is on the Gmail page, from the settings drop down list, so you have to select it. This dialog box or setting page comes to your Gmail screen, okay. Under signature, select the send option. In the text area you have to enter want to set, okay. Then format, like that. To format signature, bold, italics, underline, and then after all the things happen, insert the signature before quoted text, reply that dot line in the precede, it checks, click to save. After that you have to click to save, and you can able to send the reply. Now searching an email. How can we able to search an email? Okay, when you have emails in your inbox, okay, suppose you just open your mail, okay, then you have to one search bar is there in upper side of the screen. You can want to search the email, just required that name from that email has come, okay. Then you can search it. If it is means it is an older email, you can able to search it, okay. And if you go manually to search an email, every email you have to search, that is time taking process to so you have to search an email. It is a fast process. You just put it the name on search bar and you can able to just search it, okay. Then after, these are the steps to searching an email. You have to follow all this. In the inbox folder, click the search bar, type the words you want to search an email, keywords you have to type. Then after, click the search button, the search result appears, click the required value, okay. Now last and very important thing is let's recollect, okay. What is let's recollect? This is abstraction of the chapter which you have which we will have discussed right now. First important point is Gmail or Google Mail is a free email service provided by the Google, okay. Next point is in the Gmail receive email appear in the inbox. Third point is the CC and BC beside to box stand the carbon copy and blank carbon copy. And last thing an email signature is block of text to end of email messages. These 4 points are very important. We have to memorize and understand all the points. If any problem, any confusion or any problem you are facing, then contact to me and send your queries to my personal ID. Hope you will have understand this revision class. Thank you.